Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MetLife Insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. To install MetLife Insurance, start by visiting the official MetLife website. Look for the Get a Quote or Insurance Products section. Select the type of insurance you want, such as auto, home, life, or dental. Fill out the required information on the quote form. Make sure to provide accurate details to receive the best options. Once you submit the form, review the available plans presented to you. Compare the coverage options and pricing carefully. Choose a plan that fits your needs and budget. Click on the Apply Now button for the selected insurance plan. You'll be prompted to create a MetLife account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Provide any additional personal information requested, including social security number and contact details. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you've completed the application, submit it for processing. Check your email for a confirmation of your application submission. Be prepared to provide any required documentation to finalize your policy. After approval, you'll receive your policy details via email or through your MetLife account. Download and save a copy of your policy for your records. Make note of how to access your account online for future reference. Familiarize yourself with the customer service options available in case you need assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.